Hello friends, have you ever embarked on a journey and wondered about what you might find there? Well, on this trip, we came across a signpost which read Ciudad Encantada, which means Enchanted City. We got curious and decided to explore it. It was here where we beheld some of the most extraordinary geological rock formations dating back to thousands of years. But before that, you cannot miss out on visiting the medieval gem, the amazing hanging town of Cuenca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our trip started from the town of Tortosa after having finished our tour there. It was on this beautiful but cloudy morning when we decided to take the route via Valencia and drive along the coast. It offered a picturesque journey through diverse landscape, including the Mediterranean coast, farmland, and hilly regions. After crossing the Ebre River in Tortosa, you will be taking in the scenic beauty of the countryside. As we approached Valencia, we met the vast characteristic orange and tangerines plantations. On our way, we decided to stop briefly at this highway restaurant and service station called La Plana. We had already been driving for a while, so we decided to take a break. Here, you could get whatever you wanted, from snacks, beverages, and even hot meals. While I was filming the cafeteria, I met a couple who appeared to be professional photographers, taking pictures of the mouth-watering food on display. I was immediately lured by the aroma of this paella, a popular dish originally from Valencia. After a quick snack, a toilet break, and a much-needed leg stretching, we set off and continued on our journey. After a while, we got hungry and decided to take a detour towards this lazy little town of Almodovar. I know what you are thinking. Could this be where Pablo Almodovar, the Spanish film director, came from? Write it in your comments below. Unfortunately, all the restaurants were closed. We had to turn back. We decided to skip lunch and proceed towards Cuenca. We finally entered into the autonomous region of Castilla-La Mancha, known for its vast plains and windmills and, of course, Don Quixote. The town of Cuenca is a UNESCO World Heritage. It's a unique location perched on a rocky outcrop above the Hueca and the Júcar rivers. Friends, welcome to Cuenca. Cuenca is known for its hanging houses and impressive medieval architecture, and also known for being the home to outstanding festivals and museums. While in Cuenca, we stayed at the NH Hotel. After checking in, we went for an early supper at this magnificent restaurant. On the next day, we briefly visited the old part of the city. Then later took our car to have a look at the surroundings of the city. Without realizing, we ended up at the Ciudad Encantada, or the Enchanted City, a geological site in which the erosive forces of wind and waters of the nearby river Júcar have sculpted the rocks into distinctive and memorable shapes over thousands of years. It is about 26 kilometers from Cuenca. In 1929, it was declared a natural site of national interest. At the entrance, we bought our tickets, and we were now ready to explore this strange but magnificent natural landscape. We admired a large number of rocks with shapes that looked very familiar to us. For example, this formation, El Tolmo Alto. It has a shape of a mushroom or a lampshade. This formation is not only one of the best known and most famous in the Enchanted City, but over the years it has become a true icon of Cuenca. El barco, meaning the ship or boats. It received this name because many remember when contemplating it into a port where 3 boats are docked shortly before going out to the open sea. El perro, the dog. Have you seen the mouth? It really looks like that of a dog. These rocks simply make you feel like you are living a Jurassic age. El Puente Romano, or the Roman Bridge. It's astonishing how they still stay upright. Cara del Hombre, a man's face. It's one of the most photographed rock in the Enchanted City. La Foca, or the seal. Can you see it? Its shape, as we can see, is that of a seal tossing a ball on its head. El Tobogán, or the slide. A narrow passageway with abundant humidity opens its way through. It has a large cleft, which is one of the most spectacular settings found in the enchanting city. And this one, to me, looks like a big eye. Mar de Piedras or the Stony Sea. And here, the fight between an elephant and a crocodile. In this formation, we can see two animals, an elephant and a crocodile. Both are fighting each other, forming a natural bridge with their bodies. Puerta del Convento, the door of the convent. It consists of remains of very old underground gallery which over time has acquired the shape of an ogival arc. And these formations reminds me of the elephant's feet. La Tortuga, or the turtle. The bears. This formation makes us think that not long ago these animals were running around in this province. And this, the lavas of Teruel. The rock has the shape of two kissing heads and personalizes one of the most famous pairs of lovers in this country, Juan Diego and Isabel de Segura, who are better known as the lovers of Teruel.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word.
They lived in the 13th century in the said city and were protagonists of a sad legend that came to symbolize an impossible love between a poor boy and a rich girl whose love ended up tragically. More mushroom rocks. And here, the hippopotamus. The two holes up there resembles or reminds us of the hippopotamus eyes. As it was almost 6, we had to rush out before the place was closed. Before returning to Cuenca, we stopped at another natural attraction, El Ventano del Diablo, the Devil's Window. A natural rock formation situated above the river Júcar. It offers beautiful views of the surrounding landscape.
If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say.
The river was the main cause of the gorging of this rock.
If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray.
As we were admiring the scenery, we spotted an eagle soaring the sky. It was trying to hunt the mountain goats that were down at the valley. We also had a moment to enjoy a beautiful sundowner. After this last visit, we returned to our hotel in Cuenca for a well-deserved rest. It was truly a rewarding experience. This proves that sometimes taking a different turn to explore the unknown isn't so bad after all. Don't miss our visit to the famous hanging houses of Cuenca. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.